A very good morning to you all. Today we will revise our lesson. Okay, that we read in your previous class. It is from your English Pathway book, page number 34, use of his and her. In our previous class, we have learned the use of my. We have revised the uses of my. And today we will revise use of his and her. Okay. So today our topic is use of his or her. Okay. And I know you all know very well that where we use his, we use his in place of boy. We use his, right? We use his, and where we use her, page number 34. Page number 34, use of his and her. This is your revision class. In our previous classes, we have learned uses of his and her, my, right? A boy, girl, right? Boy, girl. We use his for a boy and we use her for a girl. Okay? His and her. Clear? His and her. Now take out your notebook. Take out your notebook. All of you take out your notebook, take a pencil and write down CW, date, CW, 5, 10, 20, write today's date and take out your notebook. Number 1, this is from your book, page number 34. Okay. The last 2 sentences, look at your book, last 2 sentences. It is his top. We will write this. You have to write this in your notebook. It is his top. Write it in your notebook. It is his top. T-O-P. His. It is his top. Number 2. It is her cap. Write it on your notebook. It is her cap. Shamadrita, are you writing? Oh, Pradeep. Write down, beta. Sanchayan, Nivedita, Shrestha and Mriganku. Write it. It is his top and it is her cap. Write it, these two sentences in your notebook. Write down. It is his top and it is her cap. Okay. Next, number 3. Okay, this picture from your rhyme book. Okay, and we will identify what we have right here. Okay, you have learned this rhyme. Peter, Peter, pumpkin eater. Peter, Peter, pumpkin eater, had a wife, could not keep her. He put her in a pumpkin cell, and there he kept her very well. Can you remember this rhyme? Okay. Now look at the picture. Peter is here, and it is his guitar. It is his guitar. And she is Peter's wife. It is her hat. Right? Now you answer me. I am writing this sentence. It is dash guitar. Next, number 4. It is dash hat. Okay, with the help of this picture, you write down the answer. Okay, it is, who has guitar? Peter has guitar. Peter is a boy. We use his or her in place of boy. You must write, it is dash guitar. His guitar or her guitar? It is Peter's guitar. So what we write in place of Peter? His or her. Write down the answer on your notebook and chat box also. It is his. It is. Peter is a boy, so answer will be page number 34, and this is from your rhyme book. This picture is in your from your rhyme book. This picture is from your rhyme book. Guitar. I have asked question. It is dash guitar. Guitar. So what will write here? His or her? Peter has a guitar. Look at the picture. So what will use here? It is his guitar or her guitar? Okay, now you can see me. Now you write down the answer. It is his guitar or her guitar. Peter, it is his guitar. Answer will be his. It is his guitar. Okay? Guitar, it is his guitar. And the woman is wearing a hat. I ask question, it is his hat or her hat? It is, what you will say? It is his hat or her hat? It is his hat or her hat. We use his or her in place of girl. What we use? His or her. She is a girl, so you use her. It is her hat. H-E-R, her hat. It is her hat. Okay, you write these 4 sentences in your notebook. Your writing is completed. Next, look at this picture, page number 10 from your rhyme book. No need to write anything, just answer me on your chat box. No need to write anything, just answer me. Complete this writing and then answer me. You can't hear. Devans. Okay, Shrestha, you have given right answer. Devargo. Okay. Devans, now can you see me? Now look at the picture. Two girls are there. Okay. So now answer me. It is a pocket. So what we will use here? It is his pocket or her pocket. Okay, they are girls. So what we will use here? His or her. No need to write it on your notebook. Just write the answer on the chat box. It is his pocket or her pocket. A pocket is there and you have learned this rhyme. Lucy Locket lost her pocket. Lucy Locket lost her pocket. So it is, answer me, her. Okay. It is her pocket. Her hat is blue and her hat is red. Okay. Stop. Okay. Today English class up to this. Bye bye. Wait for your science class. Bye.